Hello everyone, Erica from ericarock.com, and today I would love to do a video in regards to how to use sacred geometry for self-activation and to raise your vibration and elevate your frequency. So a few days ago, I did a video about how to use sacred geometry to clear your energy, clear your chakras. And the sacred geometry that I spoke about was it's the phi, the golden ratio, the spiral, that many of you who are Reiki masters are familiar with this spiral. And this spiral is found everywhere in nature. It's like the fundamental building blocks of nature and of us. And so yes, you can use the spiral to clear your chakras, your nadis, meridians, your auric field, but you can also use the spiral to activate. So when we use the spiral to clear energy, we see, feel, allow, imagine it spinning counterclockwise. For activation, we see, feel, allow, imagine the spiral spinning clockwise. And so let's just have an experience with this. Let's try this out. So there's nothing you need to do. Just simply close your eyes, open your palms to the heavens. And so let's call down the highest crystalline white light that we can access. And it comes down from the heavens. It's brilliant. It's bright. It's illuminating. It's filled with divine source, divine force, energy. And it's going to come into the top of the crown, flowing into the third eye, into your ears, into your expression point, which is your mouth, down into your neck, into your heart. It converges at the heart, goes down both of your arms, filling up your fingertips, and then proceeds to go down the core of your being into your solar plexus, above your belly button, into your sacral, into your root, converging at the pelvic girdle, going down both your legs, into your knees, shins, calves, ankles, feet, and toes. And within this white light is also gold, sparkles of gold. Gold is an awakening energy. When we talk about enlightenment, it is often said the golden ball of enlightenment. Self-realization, self-actualization. So right now we're just filling ourselves with these light frequencies. And let's command the light to open, clear, balance, align, and evolve all of our chakras within our physical vessel. So open, clear, balance, align, evolve. Open, clear, balance, align, evolve. We say it 3 times. So see all of your chakras opening. Feel your chakras opening. Sense your chakras being cleared by this crystalline gold white light. You might see black smoke leaving your chakras. You might see other things, shapes, colors. You might even hear things. So clear, clear, clear. And see that which is being cleared, alchemically transforming into a positive, life-supportive energy. And we clear, clear, clear with love. Not force, not resistance, not making anything wrong, not judging, criticizing. We clear with love. And now we ask the chakras to balance, balance, balance. So see, feel, allow, imagine all of your chakras the same size from root to crown. See them bright, the root shining bright with red. The sacral below the belly button shining bright with orange. The solar plexus above the belly button shining bright with yellow. The heart shining bright with either pink or green. Go with the frequency that resonates most for you right now. Up into the throat and the mouth, this whole area. See, feel, allow, imagine teal or blue. Up into the third eye, see purple, see violet purple. And on the top of the crown, pure white light. And now we command the chakras, the chakra column, for all of the chakras to align, align, align. This way they're going straight up and down, and there's not one going a little to the right or to the left. Align, 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 and see them click in. And now we call in the sacred geometry of the spiral. The Phi, the golden ratio. And see, feel, allow, imagine this spiral coming out. Take these two fingers on your right hand. This spirals, white, golden, purple spirals coming out of your two fingers, and place it on the center of your third eye. And your eyes might start to rotate or move back and forth or up and down as the spiral is coming into the third eye. This is a primary activation point. It will open your third eye, giving you the gift of vision, of prophecy, of clarity, which is an important spiritual gift to have because it makes life so much easier when you can see and sense what is for your highest and best. It takes a lot of guesswork and unnecessary suffering out of your life. So we command activate, activate, activate. And I can literally feel the swirling coming into my third eye. And now bringing the 2 fingers to the very top of the crown. See, feel, allow, imagine this spiral spinning clockwise, coming into the crown, activating your claircognizance, your clear knowing. This is one of those gifts, it's like you just know things. You don't know how you know or why you know, you simply know. And now take both of your fingers, bring it down to your ears, and we're going to activate your clairaudience points. So see, feel, allow, imagine the spiral coming out of your fingertips, spinning clockwise. It's a white, gold, purple. And we command activate, activate, activate our clairaudience. And now let's go down to the solar plexus, right above the belly button, 2 fingers above the belly button in the center of the solar plexus. See, feel, allow, imagine these white, golden, purple spirals coming out of your fingertips into your solar plexus as we command activate, activate, activate. This is the seat of your clairsentience, your clear feeling, that empathic feeling where you might feel other people's emotions, you might even pick up on their thoughts, their energy, if they're mad or if they're joyful, like you just feel it. You can walk in a room and you feel the room. And don't be afraid of this gift because it's actually a major superpower. Because for your own self and making choices in regards to your life, you'll get a clear feeling whether or not something is for your highest and best or not. You'll get that gut feeling. So if something isn't for you, you'll tend to feel a little anxious. Your solar plexus might tense up. You might even feel a little nauseous. If it's for you, you'll feel light, you'll feel expansive, your heart opens. And it's a wonderful feeling and it's very clear. So activating our clairsentience is super important. Okay, so I want you to gently but firmly come back into your body. You can open your eyes when you feel ready. So of course, there's other activation points that you can play with. The palms of your hands, bring in the spiral, spinning clockwise, activate, activate, activate. This activates our healing gifts, okay? Doing our heart, spiral, clockwise. It activates our unity consciousness. It activates our capacity to give and receive love freely, to love ourselves, have compassion for self and others. And being able to love full out with just an open heart is a massive superpower because the heart will begin to lead, guide, and direct you through life. And you make choices based on the heart instead of the mind. And this is a complete polarity shift that we're currently going through, where instead of working from the mind and making all the choices from the mind, it's shifting into the heart, okay? You can also activate your sacral center right below your belly button for creativity, for passion, fertility, for joy, sexuality, sensuality, and all that fun stuff that we get to do by being in a body. And then you can also do your root. So you may want to put your fingers right on the base of your tailbone. Activating the root, what that does is it activates the Kundalini energy, that spiritual energy that's coiled up at the base of the spine. And as that Kundalini energy begins to rise and come all the way up, it's like the 1,000-petaled lotus blooms on the top of your head, and you experience oneness. You experience unity. You experience enlightenment. You have a completely different perception of yourself, your life, and the entire world. So it's so important. Definitely do the root. Activate, activate, activate. And you also might want to command Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise, Kundalini rise. Say it 3 times. There's power in the Trinity. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please share experiences. If you have questions, post them in the comments below. And if you know of someone that could benefit from this, please share it with them. I always appreciate it. Until next time, all my love. Take care.